In this video, I will show you how to make your Facebook group private. Now, you can make your Facebook group private when you're creating it. And at this stage of creating your group, you just need to choose private under privacy and go on to complete the process of creating your group. And you can also hide your private group, and this will make it only visible to the group members. And with a private group, only members can see who is in the group and what they post. And to make an already created group private, you need to go to settings, then group settings through this manage button or through this star emblem icon. And under basic group info, you should be able to make your Facebook group private. And as you can see down here, you can also hide your private group. You can also make other private settings on manage discussion, like who can create chats and private replies. And after making your Facebook group private, you can make it public again only within 3 days. And after that period, you will not be able to make your group public again. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Facebook and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.